What's up guys, got another mystery wholesale box from eBay, and this time I paid $100 for 15 items. So I'm hoping there's gonna be a little bit better items than the last one that I had paid for like 50 items, $100. It was horrible, don't do that. So anyways, let's see if this one is better. 007 movie right here. Animation. Taken, whole bunch of movies. I mean, I have Netflix and I have Amazon. This stuff is like whatever. Okay, there's 2018 PlayStation 4, that's nice. I haven't played video games in a while. Okay, is this new? And what is this? Let's open it up. I have no idea what is this. Infrared ear thermometer. Ew! It looks new, but I don't know if somebody already been using it. You stick it into your ear and it's, I guess, tells you the temperature or something. This is weird. I don't want to use that. I don't trust that. Yeah, it's supposed to tell you the temperature over here. It could be new, it had that seal, but it doesn't look super new, so I don't know if I want to use it because somebody else might have been using it. But all this item seems to be new. Oh my gosh, no way, did I buy 2 boxes from this guy? I might have, because in my recent box I got something like this already. This right here, suction cup, Bluetooth speaker. Of course on the hand it doesn't stick as well, but on anything else it's actually very powerful. So that's cool. And this is new for sure because it has these 2 seals. I just broke them. Okay, sunglasses. Ray-Bans. Oh my gosh, Ray-Bans. Ray-Bans cost sometimes $200, $250. Minimum is like $150. Oh, this is reading glasses. But it's still Ray-Bans. I don't need reading glasses. My vision is pretty good. But there you go. What do I look like with the Ray-Bans reading glasses? I don't know. This seems to be not even do anything. I still see normal. Seems to be just like regular glasses. It doesn't make my vision worse or better. Actually, never mind. It just zooms in a little bit. Yep. I can see both way, everything just a little bit smaller, but I can see both way very clearly. Wow, I didn't know Ray-Bans have made reading glasses, and wow, this is nice. Might give it to my mom because this is kind of girly, I think. I don't know, maybe not. Oh, more CDs. This wholesale box, at least they try to give you new stuff, but come on, 2 the same CDs? Lame. I don't know, whatever. I don't use CDs. I don't think I even have a place to use them. OtterBox. Is this iPhone 6? Because I need a new one. Let's see. Samsung. Yeah, this one is designed for Samsung. I used to have a Samsung. Now I have an iPhone. Okay. Noisemaker. What is this? Business level security for all devices. Oh, it's a little security thing. I thought it was a noisemaker, but still, another very cool item. It seems to be, it's already been opened. Yeah, for sure. I see the broken seal. Let's see the quality on the inside. It's new. Very interesting. And it has, I guess, some kind of eyesight here that it wakes up when you turn it on. I don't care about it too much. But still, very surprised how cool these items are and new. I don't know how much would it cost to actually buy it, but it's funny how they try to put a new sticker to like pretend like it never been opened. But it's obviously been opened before and used, they just didn't like it or it doesn't work and they turn it. So everything right here, I will have to test it to see if they actually work. So it's like buying stuff from Wish. I heard it's like they don't guarantee you. Okay, what is this? It's full of stuff. Funny pack, little toy. Oh, cool. Looks like there's some kind of game. And again, this is so much better. The new stuff, look at that, completely sealed. Funny pack game, yep, brand new completely. So if you're wondering which wholesale mystery boxes you should buy those $100 ones with less items. The less amount of items you get, the nicer the items will be, hopefully. Because obviously the Ray-Bans are pretty expensive. It's actually pretty easy to look it up. You go on eBay and you just go to a scanner, search, and then go like the bar scanner and just scan the bar. And this thing sells for $15 right here. Sold, yeah, $15 all day. $7, $25. So you can sell it for 15 bucks. Whenever there is a barcode, very easy to scan it. You see, this one don't have a barcode. I'd have to manually type it in. But like, let's say this game, all I have to do is just use a barcode scanner like this. Just match it up, boom, and it tells you how much they cost. $6. Wow. Let's go to sold because listings don't mean anything. Yep, wow, that's crazy. They sell for $6, $11, $8. I guess PS4 games are pretty awesome. I think the reason why they returned it is because it's loose inside of a CD. It happens all the time. In my other mystery boxes was the same thing. But let's open it because I don't really care. Doesn't mean anything that it's new or not, as long as the CD in a good condition. So, and you see, there's a loose CD, but it is a fresh CD. Nothing happened to it. So, boom. Brand new game over here. And the last thing I look up is Ray-Bans. I cannot find exact the same ones. Oh, okay, there you go. This one are black, and they are $36 they sold for. So that's pretty cool, and comes with the case and everything. But I cannot find exact same ones, so you'd have to type in the actual code number to look it up. There isn't exactly the same ones right here. $30 was sold and $44. So it depends how much you sell them, depends the color. I do see a little bit of a scratch on the top. Or is it a scratch? Let me try to wipe it off. Nope, it wasn't a scratch. Nice. It was just a little bit of a, like a smudge in them. So that is cool. That's right here between $30 to $55. Or you can give it to somebody you know. So this wholesale box is pretty fun, but I wish I had something else than this thing or these things. So there is a chance you might have to resell it or get rid of it somewhere. But it's definitely a lot of fun opening it up.